The time is now 5:38 here on this beautiful Monday morning. Alex, I mean, that pollen, it has been out there and it's been strong. I've been having a fight with it, but I'm not letting it win.
That's right. I just saw a tweet this morning. It was like, it doesn't snow in the south, it pollens. And that is very true. And it pollened over the weekend because, yeah, I feel it in my head. I see it on my car. Even yesterday, I had my phone, the black screen on my phone. I had it out and you could see the pollen like collecting on the screen. I was like, man, it's coming. Spring coming early here in central Georgia. Here's a live look over downtown. We do have temperatures in the 50s, 60s across the board. 60 itself in Macon right now. Winds out of the west at about 5 miles an hour. And the winds are actually a little calmer than they were yesterday at the moment. However, as we head through the day today, it's not going to remain the case. 60 in Macon, 60 in Byron, 61 waking up in Fort Valley, 61 in Warner Robins, Perry, throw Centerville in the mix as well, 62 over in Jeffersonville, 57 in Milledgeville, 60 in Forsyth. Down to the south, more 50s and 60s, 59 in Dodge County, 61 in Bleckley County, and 62 waking up in Sumter County this morning. The visibility map is mostly okay. However, in a few spots, seeing some fog, say down towards Scotland, visibility down to about 7.8 miles in Gordon, 6.2 in Milledgeville. So especially along the waterways this morning, would not surprise me to see one or two patchy dense fog areas. Now the radar spinning around from Jeffersonville. We're not seeing any showers out there just yet. However, it will be possible through the day today as this cold front continues to slide down towards central Georgia, and that is essentially allowing the Gulf of Mexico to send some moisture to the north out ahead of the front. So we'll watch for that through the afternoon. This front will arrive by the time we get into the overnight hours tonight. But here's what I'm talking about through the afternoon. About 10, 12, 14 showers will be possible across central Georgia. If you do see a shower, it will not be long lasting. Once we get later into the afternoon, clouds begin to take over, still hanging on to a shower or two. And then through the overnight hours, notice that boundary coming through. This is the actual cold front now. So waking up tomorrow morning, cooler and mostly dry across central Georgia, 62 in Macon by about 7 a.m. But notice once we get to the afternoon, the cold front not doing a whole lot to those temperatures as we are able to warm right back up close to 80. Now through the day today, you're also going to notice the winds. Here we are at the noon hour, gusting upwards of 20 miles an hour in a few spots. Later this afternoon, 30, 35 mile an hour wind gusts will be possible. So it was windy yesterday. However, today will be windier. If you have any loose objects outdoors, maybe a good idea to make sure they don't end up in the neighbor's yard before the day is over. Then by the time we get to Friday, another cold front working its way towards central Georgia. The Storm Prediction Center has outlined our entire area in a severe weather risk already. This translates to a level 2 risk for Friday. But to be completely honest with you, the models are not in good agreement in terms of what's going to happen just yet. So we'll watch for the possibility of this. But as of now, I'm not really concerned about Friday, despite the risk area being there. Yesterday broke another record. 83 was what we did, 20 above average days for February so far. And we're going to continue this warm stretch right into March. 81 tomorrow, 82 on Wednesday, which is, of course, is the first official day of March, and 81 there by Thursday. Spring, of course, still 3 weeks away here in central Georgia. So let's get on over to the 7-day forecast. And you're going to notice we're going to keep a rain chance around each and every day this week. That is until Friday when that front comes through. As of now, I don't even have the thunderstorm icon on Friday, but a 60% chance of rain giving way to a cooler, more seasonable weekend high of 67 on Saturday, 69 on Sunday.